Hi students, from tomorrow onwards I am going to discuss about the subject electromagnetic theory. But before starting the subject, let us discuss the syllabus first. In the syllabus of the electromagnetic theory, we will see there are total 6 topics. Among them, the vector analysis is this vector analysis. This is nothing but the basic one. And this is the similar one which you have also studied in the engineering mathematics subject. In the vector analysis, we will study coordinate system, where three kinds of the coordinate system you know. Those three kinds of the coordinate system we will study. After that, I will show some basic properties and formulas of vector calculus. And this is the same vector calculus that you may have studied in the engineering mathematics subject. Then I will come back to the second chapter, that is the Maxwell equation and the boundary condition. See, the Maxwell equation and the boundary condition is not the base part of the electromagnetic theory, but this portion is required to understand module number 3 and the module number 4 very well. If you know the Maxwell equation and the boundary conditions, understanding module number 3 and module 4, that is electromagnetic wave and transmission line, these two will be very much easy. Okay, so that's why Maxwell equation is very much important one. But the basic part or the main part of this subject electromagnetic theory, that is these two, module number 3 and module number 4. So module number 3 is EM wave or the electromagnetic wave, which is also called the uniform plane wave. And module number 4 is the transmission line. This is also very important one in case of the electromagnetic theory. And after that, I will follow the waveguide and antenna also. See, if you know these two parts, each and every parts are related to each one. Like if you know the EM wave and the transmission line very well, then the understanding of the this and this, understanding of the waveguide and the antenna, this will be very much easy. Okay, that means if I summarize the total thing here, that is what? That is nothing but, without knowing vector calculus, you cannot understand anything inside the module 2. So that's why vector calculus is required for the module 2 actually. And after knowing the equations and some properties and each of the coordinate system in the vector calculus or the vector analysis chapter, I will follow up to the chapter number 2, that is the Maxwell equation and the boundary conditions. In this chapter, whatever we will study, that will be implemented in the chapter number 3 and 4, that is EM wave, that is in uniform plane waves. After that, I will follow up to the waveguide and antenna, and to study the waveguide and antenna, I will discuss some property of EM wave and the transmission line again in chapter number 5 and 6. Basically what? Waveguide is nothing but a form at the upgraded form of the transmission line. So from transmission line actually it is also like a transmitting medium, just like as a transmission line. Transmission line and waveguide both are the transmitting mediums. These two are actually what? These two are actually, these both are the transmitting medium, transmission medium, right? both are the transmission medium. So that's why these two are interrelated with each other. And also antenna, in case of the antenna, the waveguide also come into the picture, because before transmitting any signal or any wave in the antenna, we have to first pass that electromagnetic wave through the waveguide actually, or the transmission line actually, right? After that, I will transmit the electromagnetic wave in the air, or by means of the antenna. Don't worry guys, I will discuss each and every point in detail in from my next video onwards. In here, I have just discussed whatever you have to study in case of the electromagnetic theory. That is the total six chapters are there. Each and every chapter is very much important to understand the next one. So keep following me in the YouTube and keep watching my videos. Actually, from the next video onwards, I will start the vector analysis part. That's all about today. Thanks for watching.